Hello all of you, very good morning. This is Shrikant. Welcome back to Excel Vidyarthi all of you. So today I am going to discuss about a question on Involute which is given for 6 marks for JNTU Anantapur students. Okay all of you, yes. So we have to go for the construction of Involute of a square of 40 mm side. You know very well square in the sense all sides will be equal. Point number 1. Okay, what is the meaning of involute? Involute means it is the curve traced by a point, okay, such that the point is nothing but the end of the thread that is wounded on the circumference of the body. Let us take a thread. Let us take a thread. Okay, you just wound on the square. One complete circumference చేయండి. Okay, you just wound the thread on the square for one time. Again I'm repeating, you wound the thread on the square for one time. Just make a complete perimeter. If it is circle, it is called as circumference. If it is pentagon, hexagon, square, it is called as perimeter. You just wound the thread on the square for one rotation. Perimeter మొత్తం చుట్టండి. Then remove the thread. Remove it. So while removing the thread remove చేస్తున్నప్పుడు while removing the thread, whatever the path that is traced by the point, okay, is always called as involute. Okay, so just take a thread, wound the square for one complete rotation or perimeter. మొత్తం రొటేట్ చేయండి, ఇలాగా ఒకసారి రొటేట్ చేయండి అంతే. మళ్ళీ ఏం చేస్తారంటే జస్ట్ రిమూవ్ ద థ్రెడ్. నౌ ద పాత్ ట్రేస్డ్ బై ద ఎండ్ ఆఫ్ ద థ్రెడ్ while unwounding is always called as what? Involute. You can check my previous class, all of you. About the involute I told clearly. First of all, I am going for a square. I am going for a square, all of you. I am drawing with, see, I am not using any drafter here, okay? Okay, mark some points. Be careful, here only we have some discussions. So point A, point B, point C, point D, right? Okay, now do one thing, all of you. What is your first side? What is your first side? First side, AB is my first side, BC is second side, CD is third side, DA is fourth side. AB is the first side. Blindly extend the first side. Very second side. Extend up to some length. This length I will say afterwards. Okay, don't worry, all of you. You can extend up to some length. Extend cheyandi ante. Entana min mark cheyచ్చు. Okay, extend up to that some length and leave that. Next, what is second side? BC is second side. Therefore, extend this BC up to some length, approximate length. You can extend and leave. కొంత డిస్టెన్స్ వరకు ఎక్స్టెండ్ చేసి వదిలేసేయండి. నెక్స్ట్, వాట్ ఈస్ థర్డ్ వన్? CD. Extend CD up to some length. Okay, whatever fourth one, AD, extend up to some length, like this. Okay, approximate length, approximate we can mark. Approximate. Okay, approximate length, approximate. Now listen carefully. Okay, all of you. What is the total perimeter of a square? Can I see all of you that here I am writing perimeter of a square here is equal to is equal to 4 times the value of the square side. How much the value, please? Perimeter ante enta chuttukolta entadi 40. So can I say all of you, this will become 40 into 40 means this has to become definitely 160 mm or not? Yes, there is a picture. That is the case. Are you following, all of you? Right? Now, you do one thing. Since it is 160, you have to just draw this line up to 160. DE, be careful. This is E. Okay? And this total length of E, DE will become 160. I am saying clearly DE will become 160 but not AD or but not AE. Okay? AD, AB, BC, CD are just the sides. Okay, all of you. Okay. So if you extend this one, only D2E will become 160. This should be perimeter. Why perimeter? I will say, don't worry. Okay. Now, how many sides we have? 4 sides. Since we have 4 sides, divide this DE into 4 parts. Very simple. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Can I say each part will be definitely equal to how much? The side of a square. X, 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 X. Can I say that X is 100% equal to 40 mm or not? Are you following? Now you do one thing very simple. Okay, you take this length as radius. Listen carefully. You take this length as radius and this point as center. Cut this line. Again I am saying, take this length as radius, this point as center, cut this line. Cutting. Right? Next, take D22 as radius. Take D22 as radius. D22 as radius. B as center. Cut this line. Okay. So take D23 as radius. D23 as radius. C as center. Cut this line. Okay. So now D2 E as radius. D as center. Cut this line. What you will get? Point E you will get. Again I am repeating all of you. D21 as radius. A as center. Cut this line. D22 as radius. B as center. Cut this line. D23 as radius. C as center. Cut this line. D2E as radius. D2E as radius. And D as center. Cut the same line. You can get E only. Therefore, mark some points. Point P1, point P2, point P3. Okay. And this becomes nothing but point P4. Okay. And if we just join the points, so all of you, this is a perfect irregular curve. Don't worry about this one. This is a perfect curve. We have to start from the point B. Perfect irregular curve. We don't have any center for this one. Just join the curve like this. Okay. Regular ga compass to gise curve idi kaadu. Regular compass to gise curve idi kaadu. Okay, all of you. Therefore, the very, very important point is this becomes what? Involute. Involute curve. That's it. Ante, if you remove this thread from the square, the path that is traced by the end of the thread is the curve. And this becomes your curve. Aithe many students are doing the mistakes like this. You know what they will do? After drawing the square, vinandi, chala jagatti vinali. Okay, after drawing the square, students are doing these mistakes. 1 and then 2. Generally, students are doing like this. They are drawing first of all a line in this way. Then they are going the line for in this way. Then they are going for in this way. Then they are going in this way. It might be a mistake. It is a mistake. See, at point A, see this is the starting point A. Our starting point is A here. I am drawing a vertical. B extending. C extending. D extending. Okay, just see. This is my starting side. Extend this side. Second side, extend this one. Third side, extend this one. Next, fourth side extend this. That's okay. Therefore, this might be wrong in the examination. Are you following what I'm trying to say? Okay. So be careful, all of you. While drawing the involute, there might be a mistake in doing the examination, all of you. So my dear students, all of you, please subscribe to my channel to get the live updates about my class, all of you. At the same time, please share and inform to your friends maximum. I am going to plan a course which involves only previous question paper solutions for all the state universities in all the states in India. Okay, I am planning for all of you. So please stay tuned, subscribe to my channel to get the live updates, all of you. So thank you. Have a good day.